What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Once again, I'm Ramy B. And what I'm going to be doing today is showing you my new Canon G7X Mark II. So I recently ordered this camera a few days ago and just received it in the mail yesterday. For me, YouTube was very helpful and beneficial in helping me determine what camera would be great for me. I was looking for something that would be really good for vlogs, skits, or anything else that I'm recording in my apartment. And I didn't want to purchase multiple cameras for different things. So budget-wise, this was probably the best option for me. I figured why not do an unboxing video and show you what comes in the box with the camera, a couple of the accessories I purchased, and kind of what I'm going to be using to really get my channel launched and improve my content. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. If you are returning, thank you very much. Make sure you thumbs up the video below, show me that you really enjoy this video, and I'll see if I can do other tech-related videos in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first ththing that I purchased is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II Video Creator Kit. The reason I purchased this was because it does have some of the accessories that I needed, and financially it did make sense because of the things that were included in this box. So let's see what's in there. It comes with the Manfrotto little selfie stick tripod. Comes with a 32 gig Ultra SD card. Comes with an extra battery, which is definitely needed for this camera, and then the Canon itself. So let's see what's in this box. So when you open it, the first thing that comes in it is the booklet and warranty stuff. Right here's the camera itself. Right here is the camera. Looks really nice, really sleek. It's got the screen. We'll get more into that in a little bit. It comes with some safety paper, the battery charger right here, the regular battery, and a little wrist strap thing right here, which I might use actually. So let me show you what accessories I purchased on my own for the camera. So first I got a 3-pack of screen protectors on Amazon. I'll have the links for all these products in my description below. But it is tempered glass, and it comes with a wet wipe and a dry wipe, and then the glass itself. And it comes with 3 as well, so if you mess up or if it cracks in the future, you have more. I purchased a car mount because I figured I could use this in my windshield or on my dashboard. You never know if I want to record videos in the car, if I want to vlog. Let's see what comes in here. So it comes with this little thing. I guess this is for the mic. And then here's the mount itself. This is definitely going to take some time to figure out how to... Actually, no. I don't know what this is for. I got to figure that out. And then it comes with a little L wrench right here. So that's what it says. And then the last thing that I purchased is the Joby Gorilla Pod. So this, I'm sure a lot of you have seen. It's a little tripod and a selfie stick, and they adjust the legs, curved, so you can wrap it around a lot of objects. If you want to, angle the camera a certain way, you can, and it's got a little twist so you can turn it, and then it has another pod. So you can kind of do a 360 angle on it, but this is it if you want to stand your camera a certain way. You can do that with that. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is put a screen protector on my camera before I even turn it on. I want to make sure that it's protected. But to show you all what the camera looks like, this is it right here. It's got the little leather right here so you can hold the camera this way. It's got a flip-up screen. So for selfie mode or for vlogging, you can use this. If you want, you can tilt the screen this way. So if you're filming down low, you can look at the camera from above. It's got a turner right here. I really don't know what this is for. I think it's some kind of focus. It clicks, and then when you flip the little switch, it's smoother right here. And then it's got your menu button to see your photos, the regular things right here. And then it has this is an aperture wheel right here for the lighting, and then the regular modes up here, picture and then zoom. And then on the side is a little switch for the flash as well. So let's get started. Let's put the screen protector on. So it just it just kind of pushes the air out on its own. Looks like there's no dust under. Let's push out the little bubbles. Looks pretty good. There's like a little thing here, but it might be from the on top. Let's see. Yeah, it was just on top. Now let's get the other accessories in. Let's get this camera on and running. Okay. So let's turn it on. Ooh, let's set the time and date. This is trash, okay? You have to go, okay? Here's the camera. You can focus by clicking. I don't know, let's see, let's bring it up close. Here we go. You can focus on different things by clicking. Got a pretty strong zoom. So yeah. The battery is very low though, so I might have to charge it for a bit. And then this is the, I think this is the aperture. Yeah, I gotta play around with these features and see. But yeah, here's the camera. Let me switch over to it and record myself a little bit with it. So then here's the G7X on the GorillaPod. See that? And then of course you can fold the legs in and use it as a selfie stick when you're filming and vlogging. And then here's the Canon on the Manfrotto stick. And here it is. Nice. This will probably be used for more grab and go if I'm not going to be creative, and the GorillaPod would be more for trips. But this is just for a quick, nice, light and easy thing right here. So I've also purchased this right here from Best Buy. It's a carrying case and it comes with a lanyard strap. Fits the camera perfectly. So the Canon G7X fits very snug in there. I got the lens down here. Slides in and out pretty easy. And then it also has a nice battery pouch right here if you have an extra memory card. Very easy to use. So I'm using the Canon G7X right now with the Manfrotto tripod. Good thing it's not that heavy. It's very easy to use. The frame looks a lot wider, maybe as wide as the iPhone, but it's a lot clearer. The lighting, I probably just have to play with some things. Right now it's on autofocus, so as I move, it's focusing to my face. But there is portrait mode and a bunch of other things that I'm probably going to utilize. So I got to play around with the settings and see what works best for me. Hopefully the audio from the mic is good. I haven't listened to it yet, so hopefully it does end up being well. But overall, I like this camera so far. And we'll see as I get more comfortable with the settings and its features, my quality of video will go up. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you click the thumbs up button down below. I apologize if the video is a little too amateurish, but my iPhone bracket is not very long, so the footage has to be very close, so I apologize for that. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these types of videos better, please leave it in the comments down below. It is my first time doing this style of video, so I'm definitely learning and getting that experience. And once again, if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe. If you are returning, thank you very much. Let's try to get this channel growing. And until next time, I'm out.